Well, hello, and today, as you can see, that I am making a my coconut crusted chicken breast with Thai shrimp. This is a phenomenal dish, so I'm going to go ahead and get going and go ahead and start making it. It is a goodie, so you want to go ahead and watch. Thank you for joining. Well, hello everybody, and this is Chef Skeet. And what I'm getting ready to do today, and you're actually looking at it, is I'm showing you some of the ingredients that I'm going to actually be using. These are peeled shrimping, 15 by 20 counts, means 15 to 20 shrimp per pound. I've got a pound of these taken care of, so I'm going to be using that. Let me get this out of the way, and this is going to be, I haven't unwrapped it yet, chicken breast. I'm going to be working on that. You'll get the chance to see that. Be part of the coconut crusted chicken breast with Thai curry shrimp sauce. So we're going to be actually working on that as well. And I'm going to put that over a bed of pepper deli. So we're going to be working on that today. So we're going ahead and get started, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Now I'm getting ready to start working on the, let me get this in the camera. There we go. See, this is a thawed out chicken breast, as you can see right here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my knife, making scallopini out of it. And how you do that is you hold it down flat like this. Take your knife and make sure that the blade is tilted up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and tilt that up. And what I'm going to be doing is doing a back and forth, back and forth, back and forth on this until we go ahead and split it. Just like that. Take your time. We're in no rush. We're going to take this all the way down to San Jose. Okay. So now, what you see here, if I flip it, we now have two chicken breasts that have been split. So right now is we have the shrimp that I'm going to be using. Got the chicken split, because what this now does is this makes it thinner, so it'll also cook faster. So that's what we're working on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this put together, and I'll be right back. Now that I have the chicken sliced and sitting off to the side, next part we're going to be doing is doing the breading. So what you see here is I have my breading station set up. To the left right here is my flour, which I do have seasoned, salt, pepper, and garlic. The middle one is my egg wash. Again, that is seasoned, salt, pepper, and garlic. And then on the right, that is my breadcrumbs and coconut. Again, all three of these are set up, seasoned, and ready for to go ahead and put the chicken in. We're going to start with breading, pat that dry, put it into egg wash, and then finish it up with the coconut panko crumbs seasoned up. Okay, so I got me new my nice, it's over here somewhere. Anyway, we're going to go ahead, put that on it. It's one of my sous chefs. It's been kind of active around here today. We're going to go ahead and make sure that's nice and coated. Pat that off. And then we're going to go right into the egg wash with this. And make sure we got some good egg wash on that. And then you're going to have your wet hand. This is my wet hand. We'll let this kind of drip off a little bit. And then we're going to go straight in to the breadcrumbs. And this is where you use the dry hand. This is my dry hand. Now that we got that done, we're going to flip it on over. Make sure we get the other side done. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we have these all set up. And as you can see right now, my skillet is nice and hot. What I'm going to be doing now is going in and laying this down. And we're not going to move it. See, right now we're not going to move it because we want to go ahead and have that crust set. Okay, so now I'm about ready to go and flip this on over. I'm not used to cooking and shooting with this single hand. Oh yes. Okay. Yeah, I cooked that for about 3 or 4 minutes on one side. And we're going to do the same thing with that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the other breast. And then we'll have that. They'll come back and we'll do the shrimp. But you don't want to move things around. You want the crust to set. In this case, cook about 3 minutes on one side, flip it over about 3 or 4 minutes on the other side, and they're going to be done. Okay, it's been a couple more minutes. And let me go ahead and take a look at the other side real quick. Oh yeah, this is done. This is done. So I'm going to go do the other one, just like I did this one. This won't take as much time. And we'll have 2 done. And the next thing we'll go ahead and get on to is for the shrimp curry sauce, the Thai curry shrimp sauce. Okay, so now we have the chicken done, and we're just going to go ahead and do a quick saute on these shrimp. And shrimp do not take long at all. It's just going to be a few minutes, and then just put a little bit of flavoring onto them. And then what we're going to do is going to go ahead and get a cup and a half of chicken stock, some coconut milk. Then I'm going to put my curry paste in and my curry sauce. So go ahead and make the Thai curry sauce once these are pinkened up. And we'll go ahead and get this done. This is looking good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah. As you can see now, as I zoom in to get a better shot of all this, you can see where the shrimp is now starting to turn pink. Now, at this point, we don't want to overcook them. Shrimp cook very quickly, so I'm going to be adding in a cup and a half of chicken stock, coconut milk, and then we'll go ahead and get this done up. So I'll be right back as I go ahead and get this set up to go ahead and put everything together. Hello, foodie friends. Now, as you can see, I've done my shrimp in the Thai curry sauce. It's I'll let it go ahead and reduce down a little bit. It's thickened up. You can see now my shrimp are. Let me get one of these puppies out of here. Come on. Well, let me go ahead and zoom in. It'll be easier that way. You can see these are nice and pink. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so good. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the plate presentation, and then I'll show you what it all looks like. Okay, so we did all this work. Let's go ahead and take a little bite of this and see what we've got here. That chicken is so flavorful. I can taste it. I can taste the coconut into it. Nicely seasoned, just right. Let me grab one of these little shrimp and see how they go. Shrimp is definitely not rubbery, cooked just right, very moist, very tender. Again, that Thai curry sauce, it's got a little bit of kick just at the end of it, not much, but you can taste it, which I like. And with the coconut milk into it, oh my gosh, this is Thai cuisine. I do highly recommend that you try this. It's not that hard to make. And I'm just going to head and enjoy this with my pups. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll chat with you guys later. Bye.